So let's start with your name.
Okay, so I'm Sheehan. I'm from Spokane High School in Spokane, Washington.
Awesome. And why are you here today?
So this is the ProStart State Invitational. I'm a junior mentor for the Mount Spokane team. I've been doing this for 4 years actually, 3 of which I was on the team, 2 of which as their leader. And this year I get to spread the wisdom that I learned from those years on the team as I am off the team and instructing all of these kids now. So yeah.
That's really great. And how do you think your team did this year?
Honestly, I haven't heard a better critique in the 4 years I've been doing this. And our school's only been doing it for 5 years, so it couldn't have gone better. They looked confident, the coats looked amazing, the food looked great. I couldn't be happier or prouder of our team.
Wow, well that's great. So what are your plans for the future?
Okay, so I'm actually going to WSU. I'm committed to WSU for their nutrition and kinesiology program. I want to get an undergraduate in culinary arts and help people with eating disorders. That's going to be my main focus.
That sounds really cool. And back to ProStart, what do you think the future for your team is? Do you think you specifically are going to stick with this team? Do you think you're going to keep doing this?
Oh, most definitely. When I'm older, I want to come back and actually mentor the team. But I mean, this gives them so many opportunities. We've got future employers here, colleges are here. I mean, you've got all of these people that are going to make your future a lot bigger and brighter for you. I mean, they're all here. This is your one chance to really show them what you're made of.
I agree. Thank you so much.